In this video we're talking about mutually exclusive events, and this means that you can't have two things happening at the same time. So for example, if you had a bag containing red balls and yellow balls, and you can't take a ball that is both red and yellow, so you can say that the event red ball and yellow ball are what's called a mutually exclusive event. Of withdrawing them would be a mutually exclusive event. So in the box it's given it to us in a nice neat way. If you've got two events A and B that are mutually exclusive, you can say that if you take one of the options or the other one, then it's just going to be the probabilities added together, because one doesn't rely on the other one. And in this case we could say the probability of getting a red ball or a blue ball, a red ball or a yellow ball, is the same as the probability of getting a red ball and the probability of getting the yellow ball added together. So let's have a look at that in context of this question here. So we've got a bag containing 6 red balls. They're always about coloured balls, I don't know why, and maybe I can do this in different colours to make it more visual. So we've got 6 out of, what have we got? So that's 14, 18. So 6 18ths for it being red. We've got 8 18ths that it would be yellow, and 4 18ths for it to be green. So if you take a random ball out, what's the probability that the ball is going to be yellow? That's just going to be 8 out of 18. The chance of it being green, we worked out, was 4 out of 18. Well, what about the probability of it being yellow or green? And this is where this formula comes in. You just simply add the probabilities together. So the yellow or green will be 12 out of 18. So let's have a look at that in this example. You've got 10 children who are asked to state their favourite sport, and their responses are listed in the table. So favourite sport, swimming, 4 kids said yeah. Then the next popular was football, and then you've got the hockey, tennis and volleyball, where only one child said that was their favourite. What is the probability that if one of the children is chosen at random, their favourite sport will be volleyball? Well, volleyball is 1. And I don't have to count all these up because it's given to me in the question that there are 10. So the answer here should be just 1/10. For swimming, it's 4 out of 10. I don't have to simplify this because it's asking for probability, and I could leave that unsimplified. But what about volleyball or swimming? So volleyball or swimming, let's do that in blue. So volleyball or swimming, I would add the two probabilities together to get 5, and it's still out of 10. Simple as that.